Hey guys, and welcome back to Tara Talks. So today I will be your host, Fiona,
And I am Natalie.
and today we will be talking about the carpal tunnel syndrome.
So, do your hands ever feel numb, tingly, or weak after typing or driving or holding your phone too long?
That could be a carpal tunnel syndrome. When a nerve in your wrist gets squeezed, it's super common for people who use their hands and wrist a lot every day. So today we will be breaking it down in simple words with our patient, which is Dexy Pacalto.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
So, kami gali ma'am si Fiona and si Natalie, which is a PT students, will ask a few questions lang about sa imo condition. Okay lang ba po, ma'am?
Okay lang, gid.
Okay. So, thank you, ma'am. So, before we start, pwede namon mahibalaan ng imo nga full name, ma'am, kag ano imo nga age?
By the way, I am Dexter Spacaldo, 25 years old.
So, ma'am, as a first question naman is, ano gid ang imo nga main problem, ma'am, or main concern ninyo subong?
Ang akong concern, ang akong barang right hand, may times na nagapalamanhid siya kagasakit.
So, din dapit nga finger mo ang commonly affected dyan.
Index kag sa middle finger ko.
Mm.
Since when pa ni siya, ma'am, nag-start, ma'am?
Mga duwa na guro ka bulan.
Oh. So, ma'am, we will continue to the second question. So, ano usually ang ginaobra mo, ma'am, para before bala mag-start ang numbness or pain?
Ga-type man lang ko sa computer kay ga work ko din sa office.
So, base repetitive hand movements ang isa sa mga causes ng discomfort ninyo, ma'am.
O,
So,
kay ga work ko din whole day.
Mm.
okay. So, if ma-rate mo, ma'am, ang pain from 1 to 10, din siya usually, ma'am?
Siguro mga 7 gid
Oh.
kung grabe gid siya katama kasakit.
Oh, so feeling mo, ma'am, mas nagagrabe bala during the night time or every time nga nag-work ka, ma'am?
O, kay nagabugta ko lang kakatulog bala sa sobra kasakit
Mm.
sa tiyagan.
So, ginauyog-uyog mo lang imo or ginahulag-hulag mo lang imo nga kamot, ma'am, para ma-lessen ang sakit?
O, pero wala man.
Oh, so ano bala, ma'am, ang mga activities nga nabudlayan kamo himuon because of the pain?
O, agad wala ang grip ko nabudlayan kung manghawis sa cellphone or tasa.
So may mga instances bala, ma'am, nga nagadula sa imo kamot ang pain?
Gakaulag ako nga ballpen or while gakaon ko gakaulag akong kutsara.
Hmm.
So, subong ba, ma'am, may gina-take ka nga bulong or may ginaobra ka para mahagan-hagan ang sakit?
Gares lang ko ginabutangan ko lang ice kag may ara mo ko splint man ko pero hindi ko masyado ginagamit.
Kagi ikaw dun, ma'am, pa-check up?
Oo, kag hambal nila possible ko daw nga carpal tunnel syndrome.
So ma'am, right-handed bala kamo or left-handed ka nga ano?
Oo, right-handed ko, ma'am.
So ang dominant hand gid ang affected, ma'am, like ang imong
Yes.
nga right or so aside from typing, ma'am, may mga hobbies bala kamo nga gamit gid ang hand or what?
Ga-type sa phone kag there is a balay galuto.
So naga-affect bala ini sa work ninyo, ma'am, ang pain nga ni ma'am?
O kay sometimes dasigdan makapoy akong kamot.
Hmm.
So, ma'am, thank you so much sa pag-answer ka amon nga mga questions. Dako gid nga bulig sa amon nga assessment.
Yes,
Naway
thank
hindi
you
mo
gid,
hand
ma'am.
mag-ayad din rin.
Thank you.
So thank you, ma'am, for your
Movement.
cooperation. Thank you, gid.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Gid.
So that's the end of our
Podcast!
thank you everyone for watching. See you on the next topic.
And
Bye. So that's it for today's episode. So before we end this podcast, we would like to thank our patient, Miss Dexy Rose Pacaldo, for sharing her experiences with us. Through this interview, we learned that carpal tunnel syndrome is not just a simple hand pain, right? It can really affect the daily activities, the work, and the comfort of every individual. So, as a future physical therapist, this reminds us how important proper assessment, the exercise, the posture, and early management are in helping patients improve their quality of life. We also hope for our listeners that they learn something about the signs and symptoms of the carpal tunnel syndrome and how therapy can help manage it. So, again, thank you for listening, and we hope to see you again on our next episode. Stay healthy